everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make movable legs of crochet animals invisibly. Okay, I have body and legs of crochet dog. If you want to make exactly the same dog, you can click the link above or in description of this video. Okay, first you need to make legs and body, of course, and now I'm going to use a crochet hook. You can use some long needle or crochet hook as me and try where you want to have legs, where you want to place your legs. So try it with head and count rows. So you have to try it and then just use, how I said, crochet hook or something what will hold your legs on the body. Okay, in my case it's okay like this, and now you need to take a new end of the same color of yarn and yarn needle. I'm going to use yarn needle, but you can use special needle for making of amigurumis. Okay, if you placed legs to the body, we can start to sew. Now we have to make a few stitches through the body and through the inner part of both legs. So I'm going to start on the right side, so not here but just inside. So use just inner part of the leg and insert your needle from inside the leg through the body to the other leg and pull it from the inner part of the left leg. Okay, we have first stitch, and now we are going to make one more stitch back through the left leg, through the body to the right leg. So use just inner part of legs. And like this, get the needle to the other leg. Okay, repeat it 3 or 4 more times, and then I will show you what next. Okay, if you have a few stitches and if you think legs are joined to the body firmly, you can stuff legs with hollow fiber, and I always stuff the lower part of leg firmly. In the middle of leg I will use just little hollow fiber, and in the upper part of leg I will not use hollow fiber. Okay, then just make a simple knot with both ends of chenille yarn and leave it inside the leg. Okay, and now I have to finish the crocheting of legs because I didn't do it before, which is better. So now I'm going to make a chain 1 and then 1 single crochet, and I'm using the same tail of yarn because I have enough long the end of yarn. Single crochet, and then make 2 single crochets together in each stitch, so decrease every stitch around. But I recommend you, it's better, really it's better when you do this row before you join legs to the body. So if you will watch the last part of crochet puppet tutorial, I recommend you do this row before you join the leg to the body. So last row will be row of decreasing. This is how it looks like. Then we will close the hole with yarn needle. Now I'm going to make the last row or the last round of decrease also on the other leg. So chain 1, you can start to decrease in very first stitch and decrease every stitch around, and you can see it's harder work when legs are joined to the body, so it's really better when you do this row before. Okay, and now take a needle and we are going to close the hole. So use just front loops and make these stitches around. So you will make stitch from outside to inside, then from inside to outside, and like this you will continue to the end of this round. And I'm not using Dolphin Baby yarn called Dolphin Baby from Himalaya brand. I'm using other brand of chenille yarn, so you can see it's not good quality. Dolphin Baby from Himalaya brand is the best quality of chenille yarn. It will never happen to this. So if you want to work with the best quality of chenille yarn, you can click the link in description of this video. So you can find the link where you can purchase the best quality of this chenille yarn in description of this video. So you can see I finished the closing of the hole just with this thread, what was inside the chenille yarn. And this is how it looks like. Now you have to do it also on the other leg, and that's all. So I'm going to show you again also on the other leg. So use just front loops and like this, make a few stitches around. It should be about 6 stitches, and then just tighten it, and then just hide the end of yarn inside the leg. Okay, I have really problem with this chenille yarn, so I'm going to do it away off camera. Okay, and this is how it looks like if you are making the puppy. As me, if you are following my pattern of puppy, I'm going to show you just how to embroider paws of puppy. So just follow me. I'm using black cotton yarn, or you can use any other material of black yarn. So you can use acrylic, you can use mix of cotton and acrylic, for example, or modal and acrylic. It's up to you. Okay, now I have 2 lines on the paw, and I'm going to make a simple knot with both ends of yarn, and then just insert your needle into the same space and hide it inside the leg. So this is how I hide ends of yarn inside the project, inside the animal. Okay, you can use this technique on the other animal, on your own project. It's up to you. And now I'm going to show you how to sew the end of yarn. And it's pretty easy, just use yarn needle. And I'm going to copy single crochet. So insert the needle somewhere here, and now I'm going to show you how I copy single crochets. So go from above single crochet like this down and repeat it again a few times, so 3 times or 4 times. Repeat it, and that's all. And the best is when you will leave the end of yarn somewhere where you will place other part of animal. And don't tighten it much, and don't tighten it less.